Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you some of the important things you need to turn off on your Android phone to stop your phone from tracking and listening to your conversation without any stress. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember to click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your phone settings. Go to your phone settings, just like so. So I'm going to simply click on here, my phone settings right here. Then after you click on your phone settings, it's take you right here. The next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down, all the way down, and make sure you look for Google right here. Click on Google. And you will be taken to this particular page. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on all services. Then it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down, all the way down, right here, all the way down, and make sure you look for usage and diagnostics. So click on that. Then it's going to take you right here. Now, usage and diagnostic, and this section right here, help improve your Android device experience by automatically sending diagnostic devices and app usage data to Google. This will help battery life, system and app stability, and other improve some aggregate data will also help Google apps and partners such as Android developer. And if your additional web and app activity setting is turned on, that this data may be saved to Google account. And in this regard, turn off this feature does not affect your device ability to send the information needed for essential service such as system updates and security. Now, under this usage and diagnostic right here, you need to turn off this particular button if you don't want your data to be sent to the Google and you don't want your phone to be listening to you and you want to preserve your phone battery life. So what you need to do here is to turn off this. Just like so. And the next thing you need to do is to simply go back to the privacy and security right here. Now, under this same privacy and security right here, what you need to do again is to click on personalize using shared data. So click on that. And it's going to take you right here. And at this point here, you can be tracked with your maps. You can be tracked with whatever you are doing in your Gmail. You can also be tracked with whatever you are doing in your Chrome browser on your Android device. You can also be tracked by media, the media you play on your phone and the call you make on your phone. Then you can also be the media you play on your phone and also the voice contact, the phone call, whatever you make on your phone can be tracked right here. What you need to do here is to simply turn off all these buttons right here. I'm going to simply turn them off one after the other, just like so, just like so. So it's as simple as that. So basically, this is how you can stop tracking and listen on your Android phone without any stress. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.